Hey guys, so here is question number 3. For each complex number, graph the number and the conjugate. So you want to be careful, because some of y'all, actually a lot of y'all, did miss the word conjugate on the quiz or midterm, and that's why you got this one wrong. So please be careful. So here we go. So negative 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, up 4. There is A. So remember the conjugate is going to be negative 3. Only change the middle sign. And Nathan and Matthew. Not Nathaniel. Nicholas and Matthew. I'm making a video. Please stop. So now we're going to go 3 and down 4. This would be the other A. B, negative 7 and negative 2. So negative 5, 6, 7, down 2. There's B. And the conjugate would be negative 7 plus 2i. So negative 7 plus 2i. Okay. And like I said, a lot of y'all did very well. But the problem is you didn't read the word conjugate. So you've got to be very careful on this one. Okay, so 2 minus 5i, so 2 minus 5i, and then 6 and negative 3, 1, 2, 3, that's your D, and then 6 plus 3i, so 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so just be careful. Okay, again, the only reason why a lot of y'all missed this one was because y'all just didn't read the word conjugate. I'm not having children, people. Okay, so here we go. Upon arriving at the interstate of College Avenue and Main Street, the light is green about 35% of the time. You drive through this intersection every day, Monday through Friday, on your way to work. What is the probability the light isn't green when you go to the intersection? So if it's green 35% of the time, that means the other time it is not green. So you're just going to do 1 minus 0.35. You can turn this into a fraction. I'm just choosing to use decimals. They really are the same thing. Okay. Now, for B, suppose we find out the probability that the light is green, 0.04. Find the probability the light is green or yellow. Okay, so we know it's green, 0.35, or is to add, and then we're going to add 0.04. So 0.39, so 39% of the time, the light would either be green or yellow. So then what's the probability that the light is red? So if it's green and yellow, 0.39, then it has to be red, the other. So you'll subtract, and we get 0.61. Okay? Cool. Now, what's the probability you find the light red? You find the probability that light is red Monday and Tuesday. So it can be red 61% of the time on Monday, and means to multiply, and then Tuesday it would be another 61% chance. Now if I was driving this route, it would be 100%. I always get the red light. Sad face. Okay. E, what's the probability you don't encounter a red light until Wednesday? Okay, so we have a Monday times a Tuesday times a Wednesday. Okay, so I don't get a red light till Wednesday. So red light on Wednesday would be 61. So it didn't say green or yellow, so we're going to do both. And that's the one we calculated in B right here at 0.39. So 0.39 times 0.39. Okay, let me grab my calculator. So 0.39 times 0.39 times 0.61, and that would be 0.09. So there's a 9% chance I would only get my red light on Wednesday. So Cool. Okay, so here we go, deck of cards. We draw an odd card and a face card. So odd, okay, so I'm going to count ace as a 1. So 0, so that's an odd. 3's an odd, 5's an odd, 7, and 9. Face cards are neither odd nor even. They're considered face cards. Okay. So how many odds do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And we have 4 sets of odds. So 5 times 4 is 20 over 52. Now here's the question, or the most important thing. Without replacement. So I'm holding an odd. So if I hold this odd, that means I'm down to 51 cards. But if I hold this odd card out, how many face cards are left? So all of these are face cards. So that's 1, 2, 3 times 4 is 12. So you get 240 over 2652, or 20 over 221. Okay. Draw a red card. Okay, your red cards are diamonds and hearts. Okay. And your spades, this would be our spade. Okay, and FYI, it's the black card. Here's your clubs, and it's also a black club. I mean, a black cards. Okay, so we have 13 diamonds, 13 hearts, so we have 26 red cards out of 52. And now remember, it's without replacement, so we're going to go down to 51. And a spade. So where are my spades? Right here, and there's 13 of these. Okay, so this will be 338 over 2652. And this is going to reduce to 13 over 102. Okay, last but not least, you draw a black face card. Okay, black face cards, ladies. Black face cards are going to be the clubs and the spades. So we got 3 and another 3. And that's going to be 6 over 52. And evens. So my evens are going to be the other one. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 4 is 20 over 51. And we get 120 over 2652, and that's going to reduce to 10 over 221. Okay, I hope this has helped. I'll see you on the next question.